Welcome to QuikCodes. In this video, we're going to cover an issue that looks scary and we never want to see on our computer, known as BSOD, the blue screen of death. Now, some refer to this as a Windows stop error or a proprietary crash screen. On Mac OS, it's similar to that annoying spinning pinwheel that doesn't seem to stop. Now, a blue screen of death is a critical system failure that forces the system to shut down to prevent damage. It results from a problem the operating system failed to self-recover from, caused from hardware or software issues such as, corrupt or incompatible driver. You have failure hardware or failing hardware, such as the RAM, the graphics card, the hard drives. It could be from overheating components within the hardware, or, oftentimes it's from malware or corrupt files. Now, for the most part, there's some pretty quick, easy solutions you can take to prevent having to reach out to a third-party IT support tech and spending your money. It's always great to save money and see, how much work you can do in being effective at bringing about their own solution for your computer. Now, when you see the screen, first research the stop error code. It's usually located on it as well as a descriptive message, if given, to help identify the cause of the issue. If your system crashes before fully booting, try restarting the computer in safe mode, which only allows essential drivers and services to be booted. That way, whatever issues with concerning the program, services, and drivers that's causing the issue, they'll be bypassed so the way you can do more troubleshooting. Now on Windows, which I'll display in the screen, you can press and hold the shift key while restarting your computer and follow the given steps to get to the point of entering safe mode, as well as on a Mac system, you can shut down the system, press and hold the power button until you see the load and startup option, and follow the appropriate steps until you're able to enter in the safe mode. Once in safe mode, refer to the interpretation of the stop error to assist resolving, the issues quickly. We don't want to be moving aimlessly trying to figure out what's going on if we have a stop code error to help guide us as to exactly what to do. Now, if the code seems to be unhelpful for whatever reason, some general steps you can take is uninstall problematic drivers and software. Start by uninstalling the most recently installed ones. We want to find out what applications, software, and drivers may have caused the issue leading up to it. Meaning, we want to remove those elements that weren't there before the system stopped working, okay? Next, we can check any of the new hardware like graphics cards. We want to make sure they're compatible in the system or for the system more so, and make sure they're properly seated. And this is a great tip for gamers, or Fortnite, or Call of Duties, Gears of Wars, and etc. Now, next, you want to scan for malware and run a system diagnostic to confirm the system is healthy. If you're still having issues, you can always refer to reinstalling Windows and updating the operating system for the latest patches that may be available online. All in all, these are steps that you can take. This is what a BSOD is. It don't have to be intimidating. It can never be an issue you can solve on your own accord. And just as always, I thank you for watching. This is QuikCodes. Please subscribe and continue to learn by watching more videos.